Arutwo milioni 1,841,725 aria maraikareire kigeranio gya KCPE kia mwaka wa 2020 riu megweterera ihinda ria ciumia 2 mbere ya kigeranio giki kiambiriirie kurorwo. Minista wa githomo Professor George Magoha niwe waniriire uhoro uyu na ihinda-ini riu atugiria arutwo othe ni undu wa kuonania umiriru munene hindi ya kigeranio giki.
Fought a very gallant fight, and like I had said, we as a government shall remember as we complete their marking in 1 or 2 weeks' time that they were out of school for such a long time, and there is nothing a child has to worry about.
Riri nirio rita ria mbere kigeranio giki gutafanio ihinda-ini ta riri, undu uria umanite na king'uki gya COVID-19. Hindi ya kigeranio giki arutwo matanyihire eri ni marakuire na arutwo othe aria mohete nda ni maraheirwo kanya ga gwika kigeranio giki.
The president had ordered that every child that presents himself or herself for the examination shall be given the examination. That has been obeyed completely.
But if we make them a focus of discussion, I think we also add to their distress and make them feel that maybe really, because as I was telling some learners, and of course I was telling some of my colleagues, don't forget that in any case of pregnancy, there's always the other person.
Riu arutwo aya othe matanyitwo gukaingira kirathi gya form 1 mweri-ini wa 7 mwaka-ini uyu. Thirikari ikiuga o murutwo ni akona kanya ga guthie na mbere na mathomo make.
Aware the government pays free secondary education fees for all the children who go to secondary school. 3 days day secondary fees, and that is 22,420. So all parents should ensure that the children are safe. They should make sure the children are safe for the period that they're going to wait for the results and as they prepare to go to Form 1.
Na riu maitho ma thirikari mahogokeire kigeranio gya KCSE kiria gibangirwo kwambiriria gatano ga kiumia giki. Thirikari ikiheana mukana muhiu kuri aria mari na matanya ma wici wa igeranio icio.
There are people who are planning to hire university students to go and sit for examinations in certain parts of this country. Let me just say that we are watching you. They think they are very advanced because they may even have interfered with the photographs, but it shall not happen under our guard.
Maya magithiaga na mbere, thirikari ni yugite ni rekereirie kigina gya ciringi bilioni 7.5 cia guteithiriria mathomo guthie na mbere thukuru-ini cia secondary. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Getwo Waithira wa Kihara.